lecture I am going to discuss some of the problems based on the AP, and these problems are very important from your board point of view. So let us start now. First question, let's see. It is given as the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 182 if its fourth and 17th terms are in the ratio 1:5. Find AP. Point. Now see the question is saying that the sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 182. It means that the value of S of 7 is given as 182. We can calculate by the formula of n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d will be equal to 182. It will come 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d will be equal to 182. 2 is cross multiplied, 7 will come down here, it will be your 2a plus 6d will be equal to 2 into 182 upon 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 6s are. So 2a plus 6d, it will be your 2 6s are 12, 52. We can divide this total value by 2, so it will be your a plus 3d will be equal to 26, and this will be our first equation. Second equation we will get from here if its fourth and 17th terms in the ratio. So fourth terms and 17th terms in the ratio of 1:5. So fourth term means a plus 3d, 17 terms here means a plus 16d, ratio of 1:5. Cross multiplied, it will come 5a plus 15d is equal to a plus 16d. Now 5a minus a will be 4a and 16d minus 15d will be your d. So 4a minus d will be equal to 0. This will be our second equation. Now first equation is a plus 3d is equals to 26. Now when we will solve it simultaneously, we will get the value of a and d. First equation we multiply by 3. It will come 12a minus 3d is equals to 0. This will be your a plus 3d will be equal to 26. Plus minus cancel. 12a minus a will be 12a plus a will be 13a is equals to 26. Value of a will be 2. So value of a is 2. Now calculate the value of d. Putting it here, 4 into 2 minus d is equals to 0. 8 minus d is equals to 0. Value of d will be your 8. Value of a is 2. Value of d will be your 8. Now we have to take out the AP here. First term is 2. Next term a plus d, 2 plus 8 is 10. Next again add 8 here, 18. Again add 8 here, 26. Dot dot dot, and this will be your result. This will be your 8. Now see the second question. Now second question is the 13th term of an AP is 4 times its third term. if its fifth term is 16, find the sum of its 15 terms. Now, question is the 13th term of an AP is 4 times its third term. So 13th term of an AP is 4 times its third term. 13th term means your values a plus 12d is equal to 4. Third term is a plus 2d. So it will be your a plus 12d is equal to 4a plus 8d. Transfer this side, a minus 4a plus 12d minus 8d is equal to 0. So a minus 4a will be your minus 3a, 12 minus 8 will be your plus 4d will be equal to 0. This will be our first equation. Now second is, if its fifth term is 16, fifth term is, this term is given as 16, it means a plus 4d is given as 16. So here we can write a plus 4d will be equal to 16. Now solve both the questions simultaneously. So minus 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 cancelled. It will be minus 4a is equals to minus 16. Value of a will be 4. Now put the value of a in equation number 1 or equation number 2. We get here minus 3 into 4 plus 4d will be equal to 0. Minus 12 is equal to minus 4d, cancel. Value of d will be your 3. Value of a is 4, value of d will be your 3. Now question is, find the sum of its 15 terms. Sum of its 15 terms. It means you have to calculate here s of 15. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S of 15, value of n is 15 by 2 into 2a, value of a is 4, so 2 into 4 plus n, value of n is 15 minus 1 into d will be your 3. It will be s of 15, 15 by 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1 will be 14, 14 3s are 42. So when you solve here, this will come 15 upon 2 into 8 plus 42 will be your 50. 25 and 15 multiplied by 25 will be 375 and that will be your answer. So this is also a very important question from your board point of view. Now see next question. Now next question is question number 3rd. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Are divisible by 3. So this is also a very important question from your board point of view. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Now when you will start from the 2-digit number, so first number it will be your 12, second number 15, next 18, and this number will go on to 99. So 99 will be the number, last number that will be divisible by 3. So here first term is 12, value of d 15 minus 12 is 3, and t of n is given as 99. We have to calculate here the value of n. How many terms are there that are divisible by 3? So t of n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d So 99 is equal to A 12 plus n minus 1 into 3. So it will come 99 is equal to 12 plus 3n minus 3. So 99 is equal to 12 minus 3 is 9 plus 3n. 9 transfer on this side, it will be 90 is equal to 3n, and n is equals to 90 by 3, that will be your 30. So value of n is 30. So in total there are 30 terms, 2-digit numbers that are divisible by 3. Now let us see another example based on AP. Question number 4. The 13th term of an AP, the 13th term of an AP is 4 times its third term. If its fifth term is 16, find the sum of its first ten terms. Now read the question. The 13th term of an AP is 4 times its third term. 13 term is T of 13. 4 times its third term. 4 times its third term. So T of 13 term is general for term is A plus 12D is equal to 4 into A plus 2D. General term for third term is A plus 2D. Now A plus 12D is equal to 4A plus 8D. Transfer this side. A plus 12D minus 4A minus 8D is equal to 0. A minus 4A is minus 3A. 12 minus 8 will be plus 4D is equal to 0. If its fifth term is 16, so fifth term is given as 16, so it means A plus 4D value is given as 16. So second equation is A plus 4D is equal to 16. Now solve both the equations simultaneously. Minus, minus and minus. Plus and minus will be cancelled. Minus 3A minus A will be minus 4A is equal to minus 16. Value of A will be 4. Now put the value of A in equation number 1 or in equation number 2. Put it here. 4 plus 4D is equal to 16. 4D is equal to 16 minus 4 will be 12. Value of D will be your 3. Value of A is 4. Value of D is 3. Find the sum of its first 10 terms. Find the sum of its first 10 terms. So sum of its first 10 terms are, it means S of 10. So 10 by 2 into 2A, value of A is 4 plus N. 10 minus 1 into D, value of D is 3. 5 into 2 4s are 8. 9 into 3 is 27. So S of 10, 5 into 27 plus 8, it will be your 35. And 35 into 5 multiply, that is 175, and that will be your answer. So I discussed some problems on AP. In my next video I will come with some more problems based on the AP, some difficult questions that are based on your examination.